Hello students, now we will see some MCQs on the topic linear programming problem. So here I have written few questions. Let us try to find out the solutions. First one, which of the following is not a vertex of the positive region bounded by the inequalities? These are inequalities, given inequalities, and extend y greater than or equal to 0, non-negativity restriction. So four options are given. Which one of the option is correct? We will find it out. And we have to find that vertex which does not a vertex, which is not a vertex of the coordinate region. Okay. So here consider the inequalities. 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Then this is put x is 0, y is 2. Put y is 0, x is 3. Okay. Second inequality, 5x plus 3y is equal to 15. Put x is 0, y is 5. Put y 0, x is 3. Okay, remaining are the non-negativity restrictions. So let us mark these points on the graph sheet. I am taking it as roughly. X is 0, y is 2. X is 0, y 2. Somewhere here I am marking 0 and 2. X 3, y 0. I will mark here x3, y0. Let me join this line. Okay. Then x is 0, y is 5. Somewhere here I'll write mark. Okay. And x3, y0. x3, y0, the same point. Okay, fine. So now let us shed the reason. For that, let us consider the inequality. First line, less than or equal to 6. This is our first line. Less than or equal to 6 means the lower region we are shading here. Okay. And 5x plus 3y is less than or equal to 15, even lower region. Less than or equal to 15 means lower region we are shading. Okay. So common region for both the constraints is this. Okay. So this is A 0 2, then B 0 0, C 3 0. Okay, fine. So 0 2 is there in the option, and 0 0 is also there in the option, 3 0 is there in the option. So none of these is the correct answer. Okay. Now come to second question. In an LPP, the objective function is always cubic, quadratic, linear, constant. By the concept of linear programming problem, we'll come to know that it is linear. Very simple question. Next, third, a basic solution is called non-degenerate if none of the basic variables is 0. This is the correct option. Okay. This is with the help of basic concept. If none of the basic variables is 0, then that solution is known as non-degenerate solution. Okay. Next, come to fourth question. For the constraints of LPP given by x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 2000, x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 1500, x2 less than or equal to 600, and non-negativity conditions are given, x1, x2 greater than or equal to 0. Which of the following points does not lie in the positive bounded region? Okay. So for that again we have to find the points, plot the graph and so on. Okay. x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 2000. Right. So now put x1 0, x2 how much we get? 1000. Okay. Put x2 0, x1 2000. Next, one more constraint, it is x1 plus x2 is equal to 1500. Put x1 0, x2 1500. Then put x2 0, x1 1500. Okay. Now, one more constraint, it is x2 is equal to 600. Right. So let us plot these points on a graph sheet. So take it as x1 and x2. Here this is 0 0, of course. Okay, then we will take the, we'll note this is 500, 1000, 1500, 2000. Similarly here 500, 1000, 1500, 2000. Okay, so now when x1 is 0, x2 1000, x1 0, x2 1000, somewhere here x1 0, x2 1000, this point. Okay, then x1 2000, x2 0, x1 2000, x2 0, x2 0. Let us join these 2 points. Join these 2 points. Next again, x1 0, x2 1500, x1 0, x2 1500. Here it comes. Okay, then x1 1500, x2 0, x1 1500, x2 0. Here it comes 1500, 0. Okay, let me join these 2 points, right? Then x2 is equal to 600. This is 500, 600 I'll take somewhere here. x2 is equal to 600. Okay, this point is what? This is 0 and 600. Fine. Now let us see the inequality to shade the region. So first inequality, less than or equal to 2000. So lower region. Fine. Then x1 plus x2, second inequality, again lower region. Okay. Then third inequality, again lower region, right? So this is the region. This is the region, feasible region. Okay, this is the feasible region. Now let us check the points 1000 and 0. 1000 and 0, x1 is 1000, x2 is 0. Somewhere it falls in the feasible region only, in this region only. Okay, 1000 0, somewhere here it comes. So it is in the feasible region. Then x1 0, x2 500. So somewhere here. Okay, again it is in the feasible region. 2 0, no question only. Okay, and 2000 0, this is the only point which lie outside the, which is not a vertex of feasible region. So our answer is D. Okay, fine. Hope you have understood this. Okay, thank you students.